Hello everybody, my name is Kunal Chawla aka Designamo, and thank you for all the love and support that you have shown to me in my first YouTube video. And if you are new to this channel and haven't yet seen my first YouTube video, go check it out in the cards. So if you ever thought of making a movie, if you did, but I cannot help you in making any kind of movie, but surely I can help you in making one aspect of movie making. So without any further delay, let us move towards the video. So today we will be making a movie poster out of all the pictures which are present over my screen. This one, the fantasy, the astronomy, the isolated, a planet, the solar flare and the untitled one. So today we will be recreating a movie poster out of all of these. So the concept of my movie poster is sci-fi. I will be dropping the links of all the images down in the description so that you can go and download them. And also let me show you how my movie poster will look like. So this is how my movie poster will look. This is how the final product will look alike. So let us now make this movie poster now. So I will be opening this. So today I will be using the layer mask option of the Photoshop. It is a very handy tool which will help you create things without even deleting it. Now I will show you how you're gonna do this. So now I will be taking this picture, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste it in here. So I will be just taking it down here, and I will be resizing it till this one. I think it will be okay. No, so this will be fine. Okay, now I will be taking this picture. I will be unlocking the background. Now Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste it in here. Okay, now remember that this layer, this picture should be below the previous picture. So I will be just dragging it down here. As you can see, the layers are swapped now. So as you can see, I have placed everything over my artboard. So now I will be using the layer mask option of the Photoshop. So this is the icon of layer mask right down here. I will be just selecting it. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your brush tool. Now this is your brush tool, and remember that your foreground color should be black, because black reveals the background image, but white hides the background image. I will show you just in a second. So this is I will be increasing the size of my brush, and this will be okay. Now just look at the magic. As you can see, the background is wiped. This is how you can wipe anything without deleting it. Now I will show you how you can get it back. Just swap the colors, wipe again, and you will get your background again. So now I will be just recreating the poster now, just swapping the colors, and now just doing it. You can see how easily I am doing it. I am doing this. I can again replace it. You can see now again I am just swapping the colors. See, my background is still there. It is not deleted yet. So now I will be just making it. So all to zoom in. I will be zooming in, and I will be taking till this building. So I will be just making an outer line right here. Okay, and I will be just removing the background like this. So my background is just okay, it's going good. So now I am going to fast forward this process. As you can see, I have removed the background of this image. And have you ever seen a sci-fi poster? There are a lot of planets beside on any movie poster. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this, I'm going to just Control C it, paste it over here, and I'm gonna place it. This is the sun flare, and now this one is the isolated planet. Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. I will be resizing it, so I'm resizing it right here. I am placing it right here. Now I will go to the fantasy, astronomy, isolated planets, sun flare. Okay, so now I have placed all the planets. One planet is still remaining, so I will be taking it from here. Control C to copy, and I will be resizing it again. 1 minute. Resize it and Control V to paste it. Control V. So I have pasted it here. Now I'm going to again use the blending options of the Photoshop. So here is the blending options, and I'm going to do it. Color dodge looks good, and linear dodge is looking good as well. Not overlay, not hard mix, divide, not at all. Luminosity. So I'm going to use the luminosity option, blending option of the Photoshop. Now I'm going to add some text to it. So here is the text tool of the Photoshop. So I'm going to just select it, click over here, and now I'm going to write Guardians. And now I'm going to change the color. Okay, it looks good. Okay, it looks good. Now I'm going to just place it here, and now I'm going to write The Savior, because this is a sci-fi poster. I have made this poster for an heroic movie. So I will just writing The Savior, selecting it, changing the color. Okay, oops. The Savior. Now I will be just resizing it. 30 points will be good. Okay, now I will be changing the font. So what font I have used there? I have used MV Boli. Okay, I will again use MV Boli. This is the MV Boli. Okay, and this. So if you are wondering from where we have to download these fonts, you can download the fonts from thefont.com. I will be dropping the link in the description so that you can download the fonts from there. So this is how our final poster looks like, and as you can see, it looks beautiful. I hope you loved my video, and if you did, do like and subscribe to this channel. Also press that bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video over YouTube, and also follow me on my social media handles. Link is in the description. So this is Kunal Chawla aka Designamo signing off.